ray diagrams for various positions of object in front of concave mirror. Case 1. Object at infinity. Rays of light are coming from object AB placed at infinity. These rays are parallel to the principal axis and a dotted line passing through center of curvature C and point D on the mirror shows here normal. Angle of incidence I is equal to angle of reflection R. Therefore, the rays after reflection arrives at a point F on principal axis, that is focus, and image is formed at focus after intersection of various rays. That is, point image is formed at focus F. This mirror can be used to burn a paper. If a paper is placed on focus F and mirror is toward the sun, then after some time the mirror collect all the rays, that is amount of heat also, and this paper starts burning. Characteristics of image. Real image. Real intersection of the rays always makes real image. Real is always inverted. There is a combination of this. Real image is always inverted image. Then third is highly diminished, that is very small in size, a point image. Fourth, location, it is at focus. Case 2, object is beyond C. We are bringing the object from infinity towards mirror successively. Then in the case 2, object is shifted from infinity towards the mirror, but it is between infinity and center of curvature C. Rays are shown in the figure. First, the parallel ray AD falls on mirror and after reflection it passes through focus F according to rules of image formation, and another ray AC passes through center of curvature, falls normally on concave mirror, and according to rules of image formation it is reflected back on the same path. These two rays after reflection on mirror cut at a point A'. Therefore, image of A is formed at A' and another point that is normally to the principal axis is B' on principal axis, and the image A', B' real in nature is found because this is a real intersection of light rays. Case 3, object at center of curvature C. Again, the two rays are shown from point A. Parallel ray starting from object head after reflection on the mirror passes through focus F and passes at point A'. Then there is second ray which is falling on mirror at point P, that is I is equal to R, angle of incidence, both are I and R equal, and then it is intersecting at A'. This ray diagram can be made by using another technique, that is, if the ray is passing from A to F, then it becomes parallel. and this can be used also because if you are measuring angle, it is a slightly time consuming in the examination. Therefore, we can avoid this. That is, directly ray of light from point A to F gives the ray which becomes parallel later on after reflection. Characteristics of image. Number 1, real. Real image is due to real intersection of the light rays. Real image is always inverted. Point 3rd, similar size of the object. Point 4th, location at center of curvature C. Case 4th, object between center of curvature C and focus F. Object AB is placed in front of a concave mirror. Parallel ray falls on concave mirror. After reflection, it passes to focus and arrives at point B dash. Another ray that is in the direction of normal. Normal is passing through center of curvature C, and this ray is shown by CB and falling on the mirror. Then any ray of light falling normally on the mirror reflects back and traces the same path in opposite direction. Therefore, these two rays intersect at point B dash. A dash B dash is the real image due to real intersection of light rays. Real image is always inverted. Therefore, in the characteristics of image, number 1, real. Number 2, inverted. Number 3, magnified or enlarged, that is bigger in size. And number 4, location beyond center of curvature C. Case 1st, object at focus F. Object AB is placed in front of a concave mirror. Parallel ray falling on mirror passes through focus F. Another ray that is starting from point A falls normally on mirror and reflected back and trace the same path, that is CAE line is shown here, and that is the path for reflected ray coming from mirror. These two rays becomes parallel to each other. Parallel rays always meet at infinity. Therefore, image is formed at infinity. Characteristics of image. Number 1, real. Real image is always inverted. Therefore, number 2 is inverted. 3rd, highly magnified or enlarged. 4th, location at infinity. Number 6, object between F focus and P pole. Here, object is placed between F and P in the figure, and parallel ray after reflection passes through focus. Another ray passes through line of center of curvature and returns back, that is ray of light trace its path in opposite direction. These rays in the forward means in front of mirror are diverging in nature, not meeting at a point. Therefore, in the backward direction they are meeting at a point, and that is dotted line intersect and makes the virtual image Virtual image is always erect image, that is, rays of light are not really intersect here. Then virtual, erect, magnified or enlarged, and it is behind mirror. Here, this application is used by the dentist. They are observing the enlarged, that is magnified image of the teeth cavity inside the mouth of a patient. Rear view mirror is a convex mirror used near the driver's side in two-wheelers and four-wheelers as shown in figure. This is always collect light from the large area, that is field of view is large but the size of mirror is small. Here this application is also used on the metro railway stations. There are large mirrors placed and the whole area of the station can be observed in the convex mirror for safety purpose. Rear view mirror, it is a convex mirror and this is a diagram, ray diagram, in which large field of view behind the driver's side is shown in the figure. Ray of light coming from the field of view in the upper side and bottom side are shown in the figure. Ray of light makes angle of incidence I. Then according to laws of reflection, I is equal to R, and this ray of light after reflection on convex mirror arrives in human eye, that is driver's eye, and this makes visible the large area, that is large field of view behind the vehicle to the driver who is operating two-wheeler or four-wheeler.